Hey, welcome back. Today we're here to talk about hydraulics. As I mentioned before, we do have two lines of rosin presses, the Integrity line and the BBA line. Integrity line is based around a Harbor Freight 20-ton low-profile hydraulic pump. The reason for that is simply the accessibility and the ease of replacement. If your pump was ever to go down, then you can simply take a short trip to the Harbor Freight store and pick one up for $45. We send you all the tools so that you can easily swap it out and you'll be up and running in no time. Okay. The BBA system, however, it's a much more complex and wider system. It's a high-end system. It all starts with the cylinder right here. At NewVape, we do have these two BBA pumps, hand pumps available. This little short stubby one and an oversized one. But BBA does have a myriad of electric pumps available, as well as pneumatic air compressor pumps with remote pendants and other safety features. Okay. Now, BBA's warranties do extend to food grade oils, so you can use food grade oils as a hydraulic fluid that will pass any FDA regulated kitchen operations, right? If you're making edibles or something of the sort. So before we chose this BBA design, we did explore other options on the more affordable side of things. Some Chinese systems that we tried out, and after much experimenting, we realized that a lot of these systems just leaked a lot. And so to talk about that kind of leakage, it was very smart to decide to use the hydraulic pumps under the squishing surface. We see a lot of designs out there that use the cylinder from the top, right? And we don't believe that that's a very smart choice, because especially with some of the hydraulic systems we see them using. But in any event, if there's any leaks from that cylinder, they're going to fall, eventually they're going to leak onto your material. Whereas if you have a design with the hydraulics under the squishing surface, gravity will do its job and it won't allow anything to drip onto your material. So you always have kind of a clean operation here. Right? So that's kind of what we decided and how we landed on the BBA system. Now, obviously, BBA is a very reputable company, and that's kind of why we decided to base our reputation around using the best hydraulic system around, right? Now, whichever press fits your budget, whether it's the Integrity with the less expensive hydraulic pump, or the BBA system for more commercial purposes, you will benefit from the same 4-post rigid design of the frame, because the engineering is the same behind both presses. Okay, all of these are available in 3x5 plates, 4x7, and 3x10. Okay, we also have their specific size pre-press molds in 3x5, 3x10, and 2x3 bags, pre-press molds, as well as different mesh size bags available on our store as well. All right, so that concludes the hydraulic talk. We'll see you on the next video.